guys! Today we're going to make some cold process soap together, and for that I have my oils. They're not exactly cold, but this recipe uses quite a bit of hard oils, so it's going to get cloudy rather fast. And we're going to make goat milk soap, so I have my lye water, which was in the fridge, so it's really nice and cool. Let's pop that in here. So this has already emulsified. Now let's add our goat milk. I am using goat milk powder that I've reconstituted with distilled water. So just so you know. I'm not making enough goat milk soap to actually warrant using fresh, and this is just as good, so pop that in here and blend some more. This is getting really thick already, so I am going to have to work a little faster. Pop this off to the side. Put my fragrance in. I am using lemongrass. Get this mixed up. I thought as a colorant, since I am using lemongrass essential oil, I'm going to color my soap with a bit of green mica. Let's pop that in. Let's make him in the pot swirl. or something like that. I know this is hardening up pretty fast. Wasn't really expecting that. So let's put this in the mold quickly. I just love the smell of lemongrass. I really, really do. There are other fragrance oils and stuff that I really do not like. But this one I actually do like, so. So I'm going to quickly do the top. Let's get the towel. And then I'm going to pop this in the freezer because I do not want this to gel. Last time I made it, I got a partial gel and I really don't like that. So, spoon. And so we'll see each other again for the cut. Bye!